fastest guy, man.
Do you know what's going on?
I have to do it, man.
Better join the Olympics there, buddy.
Hey guys, I'm Marco. And I'm Nico.
And I'm David.
Today, we're going to be doing twin teleportation on the subway. Hold my flower, please. Thanks, man. Oh, thanks for holding my flower, dude.
You're welcome. How did you get back?
I ran. I ran up the opposite way and I came back through the subway here, man. I'm pretty fast, huh? Like it's crazy. Yo, dude, you know what? Do you mind hold this? I'm gonna get some food.
Yeah.
I'm actually starving, dude. I'm nervous for my first date.
I'm pretty hungry too.
I'm exhausted. Yeah. So, do you want? What can I grab you? You want anything?
All beef teriyaki stick.
Do you want anything? Did you want anything?
Yeah.
Make sure you hold that.
What? You see this? As if he's gonna show up with a beef stick, right?
Dude, I got you the beef turkey.
What?
Thanks for holding my flowers, man. I appreciate that.
What? What is happening?
I ran all the way so quick. I got you the beef turkey.
Dude, what the f?
Thanks for holding the flowers, man. Hopefully the girlfriend likes those flowers.
What the f is
I
happening?
ran all the way
Do you
to the convenience store. I'm the quickest guy alive.
This guy brought me an all beef teriyaki stick.
You have no idea, guys. I went through hell to get that for you. But I appreciate that, though. Thanks for holding my flowers, man. I need to
Yo,
sit down
thanks,
for that.
man.
Sit down.
Thanks, man.
You like that hat?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Cool, right? Put it on.
It's a little big. I like the little penguin, so I was like, yeah,
Wasn't
that's
that?
sick.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here.
Yeah,
I'll
for
see you in a
sure.
bit.
Yeah. But yo, your hat, dude. This guy he came. I didn't even know this guy, right? Sits down, gives me his hat.
Hey, man. I actually forgot
Yo,
my hat.
how'd you get
I
here?
just had to run across the block right now, dude.
You guys seen this? What the f?
I just ran so fast to get this hat. I'm actually feeling too good right now, guys. I gotta sit down. Thanks for taking care of it, man.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate it.
I'm still a little confused here. But
I like your glasses, though.
yeah, thanks. Yeah, you want to see them?
Oh, nice.
Ray-Ban, yeah.
Ray-Bans? Ooh. Look really good on me. Woo. You know what?
Yeah.
Hold up for a second. Just got a phone call to answer that. Yo, it's good seeing you, though, eh?
Yeah, it's good seeing you
Pleasure.
too.
Hopefully I see you around. These glasses, man.
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
He just took my glasses there. He just took my
Sunglasses.
he just left with my glasses on. It's like I know him, so I think I'll be able to get them, just not anytime soon.
Dude, I got your glasses, man. I know. I'm sorry I took his glasses. I took his glasses, I totally forgot when I ran off the last station. Then I realized I have to give them back to you, man.
That's amazing.
Isn't it incredible, huh?
Understand how?
I don't know how he got back on either. Like, see, that's a friend.
She would kill me if I forget this backpack.
Yeah, for sure.
So hopefully I don't forget it. Hold up, just calling me right
Wait.
now. Oh, you'll be in the other stop? Oh, okay, great. Okay.
Your bag. You forgot your bag.
Hey, buddy.
It's too late now.
Should the bag safe or something? Oh, what's in the bag? Gotta be careful, man, these days.
Yeah, it's not my bag.
I know, that's the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never know what's in the bag these days. You know what, the next stop is to it upset. Roads on a bomb or something. Is there anybody look in it? What's in it?
How'd you do that?
Dude, man,
Oh, you got back on the train.
I had to run so
You got off the other stop. How'd you even get in?
Oh my god, thanks for taking care of it. Thanks for taking care of my bag, man.
Yeah, but you jumped back on the train.
No, I didn't, no.
How'd you get here?
I ran.
You ran on the track?
Yeah, I ran opposite side. I got outside the subway. Yeah, man.
You went outside
I
the
did.
subway and ran that.
Yeah.
You guys, do you know what's going
I'm
on?
the fastest guy, man.
Do you know what's going on?
I had to do it, man.
You better join the Olympics there, bud.